Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about geometrical and dimensional constraints. Constraints define how a profile can change shape or size. The degrees of freedom of a profile can be reduced or eliminated by applying constraints. Conditions which assign desired geometrical or dimensional characteristics to the profile. The program provides two types of constraints. First is geometrical constraint and second is dimensional constraint. Geometrical constraint control the shape of the profile and the relationship of its entities. We will see this in our software. Here we can see I have already drawn some geometries. Now we will see how to apply constraint to these geometries. Here we can see in parametric panel, geometric is a toolbar. Here we can see all these constraints. Okay. Now we will see one by one. First is coincident. Click on coincident. Click on first object. Click on second object. Okay. These two lines becomes coincident to each other. Next is parallel. Select first object, then second object. This line becomes parallel to this line. Okay. Third is tangent. This line becomes tangent to this circle. Okay. Next is collinear. First object, second object. This line becomes collinear with this line. Next is perpendicular. Becomes perpendicular. Next is smooth. This constraint is applied to splines. Okay, two splines joined together smoothly. Okay. Next is concentric. Select first object, select second. This becomes automatically concentric. Horizontal. This line becomes horizontal. Symmetric. Okay, this becomes symmetric. Lock. If you fix a geometry, this will lock, this will not move. Vertical. This becomes vertically fixed. And this one is equal. Okay, the two lines becomes equal to each other. Here we can see show all, hide all. I will click on hide all the constraints hide. And if I will click show all the constraints are showing. Next is dimensional constraint. Dimensional constraints control the size of the profile. These constraints are created as parametric drive dimensions assigned to the entities comprising the profile. Changing these dimensions changes the size of the profile. You can assign the following dimensional constraints to a profile. We will see this in our software. Here we can see linear, horizontal, vertical. Linear. I will select a object. Okay. See, here we can see the sign of lock. This dimension is constraint. We cannot move this. Okay. Likewise, we can see. Okay. Same with aligned. Aligned dimension. See. Okay. This is constraint. We cannot change them. If you want to delete constraint, click here, enter. Okay, this has get deleted. Okay, how constraints can be applied? We have seen it. Okay, thank you.